Question 10, we want to write 1,506,000 in numbers. Millions are in the 7th column. Let's have a look. 1 million, no hundred thousands, no 10,000s, no thousands, 506, 1,506. Question 11, fractions. We have 1/5 and 2/5. If you've done that sum and you've made it 3/10, then you've made a very common mistake. We don't add the denominators of the bottom numbers together. Think of this as pieces of a cake. If we cut our cake into 5 and give one piece to one person, that's 1/5. We give 2 pieces to another person, that's 2/5. Then altogether we've given away 3 pieces of cake, 3/5. 1/5, 2/5 is 3/5. Question 12, we immediately run into a problem. We have 2/5 and 4/15. We can't add the fractions together if they have different denominators. We have to make them the same, and we use equivalent fractions for that. 2/5 and 4/15. 2/5 or 5. We want to make our 2/5 into 15ths. To make 5 into 15, I multiply it by 3. If I do that to the 5, I must do the same to the 2. Whatever I do to the denominator, I must do the same to the numerator. 5 3s are 15. 2 3s are 6. So 6/15 is the same as 2/5. It's equivalent. I'm going to add on to that 4/15. And that makes 10/15. And although 10/15 is the correct answer, when we do fraction questions, we like to give our answer in the simplest form. And there is a simpler equivalent fraction to 10/15. What we have to do is cancel down. Is there a number that will go into 10 and into 15 exactly? Well, 5 will go into 10 twice. It will go into 15 3 times. Our answer is actually 2/3. Multiplication fractions is simpler. We do, in this case, multiply the top numbers together and multiply the bottom numbers together. 2 3s are 6, 7 5s are 35, gives me 6/35. Question 14 is division fractions, and here we have to use a trick. We've got 2/5 divided by 8/15. 2/5 divided by 8/15. The trick is this. We take the second fraction, turn it upside down, and then we multiply. So we don't do anything with the first fraction, that stays as 2/5. The second fraction we turn upside down, and we multiply instead of dividing. 2 times 15 is 30. 5 8s are 40. This will cancel down. 10 will go into 30 3 times, and into 40 4 times. So our final answer is 3/4. Question 15. We want a half of 11. Well, half of 10 is 5. Half of 11 is 5.5. Question 16. We want 5% of 200. That's 5/100 of 200. Well, 5% of 100 is just 5. So 5% of 200 will be 10. Question 17. Division of decimals. We have a whole number here, 147. At the end of every whole number is a decimal point. When we divide by 100, that decimal point moves 2 places to the left. Divided by 10 would be 14.7, divided by 100 is 1.47.